If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Kraken, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Follow these steps to ensure you cancel any unwanted charges. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Make sure you're using a secure connection. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account management features. Step 3. Access billing information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the icon link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Review active subscriptions. Look for a list of active subscriptions or recurring payments. Identify the specific subscription you wish to cancel. Take note of any important details regarding the billing cycle and next payment date. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Select the subscription you want to stop and follow the prompts to cancel it. Confirm the cancellation when prompted to ensure that no further charges will occur. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully stop any recurring charges on your Kraken account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kraken's customer support for further assistance.